It's a 66-foot box between the first and the second one. So the mile-an-hour box starts the first one. When you go through the actual finish line, that finishes the mile-an-hour box, and what they do is they take the amount of time that it takes you to equate that box and calculates it to mile per hour per the system. So the Arizona Corvette left side, the Washington-based Camaro right side. Both of them get them up on boost and put them in the stage beams, and the Corvette moves first. Willard's car strikes the tires. The Corvette out there goes 767 at 183 with the laundry hanging. That'll improve Nick's run from 821 by over a full half second.